Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix keyboard disappeared issue on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on general management. After click on general management, click on keyboard and click on default keyboard and make sure click on Samsung keyboard. After click on Samsung keyboard, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library and click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, click on this filter icon and turn on show all apps button. After turn on this button, click on OK, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved, but if it's still not solved, so open quick settings panel and click on this power icon and click on restart. After restart, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, click on settings app, scroll down and click on apps, scroll down and search Samsung key. Here, scroll down and search Samsung keyboard from here. Here showing you Samsung keyboard. For example, click on Samsung keyboard, click on storage and click on clear cache. Go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix keyboard disappeared issue on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.